Hello, hello, beautiful people. This is your overview for next week, May 11th, May 11th, May 11th for Algebra 2 Honors. First thing I need you to do, and you guys are doing so much better with this, appreciate you guys, is the attendance. So click on the attendance link. You can do that at 11 o'clock if you want to, because that's when this will be posted. And mark yourself as here or present. And then the next thing I'm going to have you guys do is the graphing rationals check up. And so for this assignment, it is open notebook because how am I going to know if you didn't? But also you can use your notes for it. Make sure that after you've done all these questions and everything else, please, please, please be sure to upload a picture of your work because I will not grade it without any documentation. This form or this assignment will be live at 12 o'clock, started at 12 o'clock because it closes. I'm going to close that assignment 12:45. Will not take you 45 minutes. Absolutely, positively will not. But on Monday, I want you to first do attendance and then go into this document, get it started, get it completed, and have your notes available for that. And then be sure to take a picture. Otherwise, nothing. I got nothing for you. The assignment is to simplify rational expressions. So you have notes. There's a printable version of it as well if you need it. This is also clearly after you've done the graphing checkup. Checkup should really legit probably take 15, maybe 20 minutes. I gave you double time just in case though. So by 12:30, you should be done with that. And then you should watch the video notes, which is not long. Feels like it's like 9 minutes or so. And then after, I don't know how long it is. I just made that up. I don't know how long it is, but watch the video notes, and then maybe that takes 30 minutes. So this puts you at like 1 o'clock, maybe. And then you're going to go ahead and do the 8.4 assignment. Those few problems that you have there, it's due Tuesday morning, not because it's going to take you forever to do it. It's not, I don't think it's an hour of work, to be honest with you, but you do need to just be able to do that. And so for this, remember, you're going to need to be able to factor, lots of factoring in this lesson. And so there's the link for the Zoom meeting. And then this link will take you to the end of semester assignment sheet, which is here. And that gives you access to the notes and to the printable notes as well. The video notes is here. I don't know how long it is, but I kind of am curious now. You can stop watching if you don't care how long it is. Okay, so yeah, lots of factoring and all of that good stuff. See you on the Zoom if you need some help or if you just want to stop in and say, what up though? Appreciate you guys. Hope that you're having a great weekend. Yeah, happy Mother's Day weekend. Hopefully it's a good thing for you and your family. Enjoy and take care.